Hello everyone, Ravi here. This announcement is about super revision. We have recorded new super revision for CA final audit and CA inter. CA final audit is getting revised in around 8 hours, and CA inter is getting revised around in 6 hours. Correct? And the most important thing is these revision lectures are chapter wise. They're chapter wise, so if you want to revise a particular chapter, you can directly see those videos. But one very important thing, these lectures are useful only for those students who studied from us, whether regular batch or the fast track batch or face to face. They have studied. It's suitable only for them, because it's very fast. Explanation part is minimum none, and let me tell you, it covers 100% of the fast track course. We have recorded this along with the fast track, so it covers 100%. So it covers all the chapters. It covers all the standards. It covers all the chapter. It covers everything. So guys, as I said, it covers everything, but it is super fast. It is only suitable for those students who have studied from me. So that's why email will be sent today. So you should expect that you should get email today or tomorrow. So if you don't get these, then you can contact our admin 9322011915. You can contact admin for that. So use these lectures. It will be very fruitful, and as I said, the most important thing, it is chapter wise. So you can simply go to a particular chapter and clear all your doubts. Guys, all the best. Whatever best we can do from our side, we are doing. I know that there will be students who will be saying, sir, बाकी सबको भी दे दो, give it for other students also. लेकिन ये हमारा past experience रहा है. जो हमारे memory tricks है, flow है, correct? वो सब कुछ उनको ही समझ में आएगा कि जो लोग हमसे पढ़ चुके हैं. जो हमसे पढ़े नहीं हैं, उनको ये समझ में नहीं आएगा. तो these lectures are not sent to everyone. सबको नहीं भेजे जा रहे हैं. जो हमारे स्टूडेंट रहे, सिर्फ उन्हीं को भेजे जा रहे हैं. ठीक है. एंड these are fully secured रहेंगे. आपके लैपटॉप पे इंस्टॉल हो जाएंगे और वहाँ से आप इसको देख सकते हो. यू कैन सी इट फ्रॉम देयर. करेक्ट. We don't really believe in giving things without any cost, because we worked a lot. We have a lot of hard work behind that, correct? And whole team works for it, and it is a valuable thing, correct? You give free something which you don't value, or you know that it is not going to fetch you anything, maybe something like that. So please guys, take it positively, and those who have taken lectures, spread it to them, give it to them, and they can use these lectures and revise very well.